Welcome back to my channel. My name is Terry with Organic Raw Roots Farm, and this video is some of the cleanup that we did to the farm after the tornado that hit our homestead in February. I will leave a link in the right hand corner up above if you would like to check out the video of the man cave that we built out of shipping containers before the tornado hit. I will leave a video of our reactions when we first saw the man cave after the tornado hit it up there in the right hand corner too, and down below. I think this is one of my favorite videos. When I saw the cross, I knew everything was going to be okay. We were able to pick up what needed to be picked up, saved what we could, threw away what got broke, and fixed what could be fixed. And everything is okay. We were able to put the walls back up, and we bought wood and panels for the roof. The tornado might have tore down the man cave, but it did not tear down us personally, our spirits, or who we are as a family. When the tornado hit, I got a text message from the farmer next door, and then I told 𝙎𝙐𝙋𝙋𝙊𝙍, and she told a few live chats that prayed for us. And then these are some homesteaders that posted on their stories and requested prayers for us, and I want to thank you, each and every one of you, and I love you dearly for supporting me. I also wanted to thank Teresa from 𝙎𝙐𝙋𝙋𝙊𝙍 Ridge Farm for announcing it on her live chat and offering prayers for us. I thank you so much, and I love you dearly for the support that you gave us. We even had neighbors from next door and down the road. They also stopped by to see how we were and if we needed help. And thank you for stopping by and supporting my channel with prayers and just messages, just saying we're thinking of you. God bless. Bye bye.